As you might already know, many of TestRail's customers are some of the biggest players in their field. Therefore, TestRail Enterprise was designed to meet the needs of larger organizations with enterprise-level features and support. TestRail Enterprise comes with a single sign-on feature, or SSO for short. This allows the use of one set of login credentials to access multiple applications. With this enterprise feature, administrators do not have to separate credentials for each application. Another important feature of the Enterprise Edition is the enhanced API performance. TestRail's Standard Edition enables API calls at a rate of up to 180 requests per minute. Another feature of TestRail's Enterprise Edition is the audit log. The auditing functionality maintains a complete record of all changes made to entities within their TestRail instance. Another great feature is the ability to set your own preferred backup time and trigger your own automatic restores. We perform daily maintenance on all TestRail Cloud installations to create a full backup of all data, which a member of our support team can restore at your request. Speaking of contacting support, one other benefit of TestRail Enterprise is access to a priority support queue, where our team of support engineers will ensure the fastest possible response time to all received requests. Thanks for watching!